Jotije alap mar ndeke mamoye boma ma Mombasa ne jobago ng'anyo mamuol ka gikwedo paro mar keto alap mar ndeke ma Jomo Kenyatta boma ma Nairobi e lwet giwegi. Gikoni okang' ma kamano kidek miyo thothgi wito thuolo mag tije nimar idhi taye mopogore. Omiyo gidwaro ni jotelo to chutho jood bura mondo mi owuog oko motegno mar kwedo wach no. Kotelnegi kod jakom riwruog jotich e paw no Walter Ongeri gikoni tich ma idwa mi Adani en mano ma inyalo tim gi tend paw no. Omiyo gichich ni chalni nitiere maling' ma piny owacho ok dwar pedho ayanga. Ng'anyo ma kamano ne gibago mana ndalo machuok bang' jotich e alap mandeke ma Jomo Kenyatta bende bago ng'anyo margi.
Also from Adani, those documents we see online, that if they scoop JKIA, Adani will be paying 6 billion to KA. The money KA has been generating. What is wrong with our country? What we are saying here is all about the welfare of the Kenyan workers.
Of course, you can't assure us that an investor who is not accepted in another country will come with a goodwill. I'm here in Mombasa, and we have the same message of rejecting. We are not going to fear anything. We are not cowards. We know we are going to face a lot of threats, but we are going to stand strong. If Mau Mau did not fight for our country, today we could not be where we are. Yes. We are not fighting for ourselves. We are going to fight even for the future generation. That foreigner should come as a contractor who's coming to repair but not coming to take over.
And we will not let our only airport, our only strategic airport, JKIA, to be taken by a foreigner and run by a foreigner. If it is about modernization of JKIA, let the government take it themselves and assist KIA as the entity